I'm Carly. We have so many fun things for you all to learn today. We are all students at the greatest school in the world, the University of Georgia.
We love our school so much, and we have lots of fun things to do here.
UGA has this awesome theater program, and we're going to tell you guys a little bit more about that today.
We hope you all enjoy this exciting experience and learn a little bit more about UGA.
We're going to be singing, dancing, and you even have a chance to create your own skit later.
We are going to have so much fun. I'm going to start by teaching you guys some warm-ups. Let's get started.
Woo!
All right, everyone. What a wonderful day to get our voices warm and our bodies moving. I'm here at the Performing Arts Center at UGA. This is where our theater and music students sing and perform on stage. I'm going to be teaching you some fun exercises called warm-ups. When we do warm-ups, we are getting our bodies, voices, and minds prepared for the stage to calm any nerves or stage fright we might have. First, let's make sure we have enough room to move our arms so we don't hit any of our friends. Great. Our first warm-up is called the shakedown. We're going to be shaking our arms and our legs to get our bodies moving. First, start with your left arm and count down from 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now your right arm. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left leg. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now back to the top. A little faster. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 2, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Great job, everybody. Now that our bodies are warm, we're going to warm up our faces and use our facial expressions. Can everyone show me a happy face, sad face, angry face? Good job, guys. We're going to do this warm-up called mouse and lion. First, we're going to start off being mouses. Can everyone make a really small, scrunchy face like a mouse? Awesome. Now we're going to do a lion with big mouths and eyes and roars. Good job, guys. Tiny mouse. Lion. Sad mouse. Scared lion. Tiny, tiny, tiny mouse. The biggest lion with a roar. Now that we moved our bodies, we're gonna start warming up our voices. Ready? Here's our first vocal warm-up. We're gonna be making lip buzzes. So you're gonna put your lips together and softly blow out air like this. Now you can make it go higher or lower if you want to. Try high. Or try low. Awesome. Next, we're gonna sing our ABCs, but not like how we originally learned them. We're gonna sing them like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, sing it back with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome. We're gonna try to go a little bit higher with our voices. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. One more time, a little bit higher. Ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Awesome, guys. All right, guys, our last warm-up is gonna have some alliteration. Alliteration is when you have a bunch of words with the same letter, like this phrase, Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Can you guys just say that phrase with me? Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Good job. Now we're gonna sing it. Ready? Like this. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Try it with me. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Instead of going higher, we're gonna go a little bit lower. Ready? Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. A little bit lower. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. As low as you can go now. Ready? Mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Good job, everyone. That was so much fun. Thanks for warming up your bodies and voices with me. These are all great exercises when you are getting ready to perform on stage. But you can even use these warm-ups for other things, like before a sports game, starting out your mornings, or even shake out some nerves before a big test. These are great ways to relax your voices, bodies, and minds. Now, Aubrey is going to teach you a super fun dance. Take it away, Aubrey.
Hey everyone, my name's Aubrey and I'm so super excited to teach you guys a dance today. As you can see, I'm in the amazing Sanford Stadium where the Georgia Bulldogs play. Whoop whoop! Now that we have our voices warm, let's get to moving our bodies. Since we're here at the best university in the world, why don't we do a UGA themed dance? Hey DJ Carly, can you hit that track? Drum roll. This is the best song ever. Do you know where this song is from? This is one of the Red Coat Band's songs, the band that plays during the Georgia games. They play this at every single Georgia football game. So are y'all ready to learn our fun dance? Let's go. All right, let's get to learn our dance. Everyone, let's begin by squatting down all the way to the floor. Get down low. Now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna face the back to be more dramatic. So everyone face the back. And the music starts and we're gonna rise up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and spin to face the front. Can you do that? Let's do it together. Awesome. Great. Let's try that with music. DJ Carly, can you hit that track? Get low. Amazing. All right, that's it, Carly. Thank you. All right, now that we've spun around, we're gonna do a hip hop lunge to the right and the left. So what we're gonna do is step out really big and pump our arms. Then we're gonna step the other way and pump our arms. Can you do that with me? Ready? Step out, pump, pump, step out, pump, pump. All right, guys, let's try that from the beginning. Face the back. DJ Carly, hit that track. Awesome, we learned the first step of our dance. Are you ready to learn the next part? The next part is one of my favorite dance moves. You throw back and slide, slide. It's super fun. What you have to do is jump back and kick your foot forward. Super cool. Everybody, see if you can do that all by yourself. Whoa. Slide, slide. So good. You guys look so amazing. Now, when you do your jump back, make it creative. Do whatever you'd like. And are you ready to try it from the beginning? Let's review before the music. So we start down, we rise up, spin around, hip hop, here it comes, jump, and sway, sway. All right, DJ Carly, hit that track. Let's keep learning our dance. Now, the cool thing about learning the next part of the dance is we're gonna repeat everything we just learned. So, after we do our throwback jump and slide, slide, we're gonna start over with our hip hop pump, throw, back, slide, slide. So it's double. You ready to try it? Hit the track. Guys, I love it so much and I can't wait for the next part of the dance. It's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna do a 3-step turn to the right, a 3-step turn to the left, stomp, stomp, jump, jump, jump. Now on the jumps, I want you to use your own creativity to make your very own jumps. Let's review that part. So after we do the throwback jump and sway, sway, we go straight into a 3-step turns. That's 3 steps turning around. 1, 2, 3. And then go the other way. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna stomp, stomp, jump, jump, jump. So you can do any jumps you want, and I want to see your creativity. All right, guys, let's do it all with the music. Ready? 3-step turn. Stop, stop, jump, jump, jump. 3-step turn, 3-step turn, pause. The next part of the dance is a little bit different. Are you ready? So we're gonna stomp, stomp, and then we're gonna stomp high and high. So that's 4 stomps in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. And don't do your jump just yet. We're gonna do a slow spin into a jump and your final pose of choice. Whatever you want. Again, use your creativity. Let's try that with music. Are you ready? First, let's review from the beginning without music, just to make sure we've got it all together. Start facing back. And rise up, spin around. Hip hop, throw, back, slide, slide. Again, hip hop, throw, slide, 3-step turn. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, jump, jump, jump. Again, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 stomps. 2, 3, 4, spin and jump. So are you ready to try it with the music? Here we go. Carly, can you hit that track? Amazing. You guys are so good. I love that we got to dance today in the amazing Stanford Stadium. Mwah! Go Dogs. Don't forget that you have the creativity inside of you to dance however you want with your friends. So have a great day and go Dogs.
Hey everybody, I'm Carly and I'm here at UGA's Department of the Arts of Theater. This is where students every week get on stage and perform. And today I get to teach you how to make a skit. First off, I'm going to give you an example of a skit with my 2 friends, Haley and Aubrey. We're going to kind of dive deeper into the 5 parts of the skit later, but stay tuned for that and get ready for a wild ride! I'm Sandy, and I'm a freshman at UGA looking for my first ever college class. I am having some trouble though. I can't seem to find it. Oh, hi! Are you looking for Chemistry 410?
Yes, we are. I'm Sally and this is Susie.
Hi.
Well, we better start running to find this place.
Okay.
Oh no! Are you okay?
No! I'm bleeding so much. Can you help me?
Oh my god.
Okay, I think I can get up and walk.
Are you sure?
Yes, we have to make it to class.
Okay, let's go.
Hey! Do you know where the Chemistry 410 building is? We're freshmen and we can't find it and we don't want to be late.
Hey, I'm a senior and I've had lots of classes there. Just run up this hill and it will be on your left at the top.
Thank you! Finally! Wow, that was fun. You too can do something cool like this. This is called a skit. A skit has 5 parts to it. An introduction, a rising action, a climax, a falling action, and a conclusion. An introduction is where the narrator introduces the settings and characters, like when Sandy, Sally, and Susie were introduced as freshmen at UGA. The rising action is where the events and conflicts begin to unfold, like when the 3 girls couldn't find room Chemistry 410. A climax is when there is a turning point and the reader begins to wonder if the story will be able to go on and the conflicts resolved, like when Sandy fell and hurt herself. The falling action is when conflicts are starting to be resolved, like when the senior at UGA came and helped the 3 girls. And finally, the conclusion is when the events untangle and the final outcome occurs, like when the 3 girls made it to class on time. You too need characters in your play. You will also need a main character who is central to the plot, and in our case, it was Sandy. She carried the story. You also need 2 supporting characters, and supporting characters are the sidekicks that don't have as much background on them, like Sally and Susie. Using our activity sheet we have, you too can create your own skit and those 5 parts of the skit and incorporate the characters in a story. Don't be nervous. You can add and subtract supporting characters and make the skit fun and about whatever you want it to be. Your teacher will be there to help guide you through this super fun activity. Use your creativity and make something great. You got this.
Thank you so much for joining us to learn about theater and UGA.
I hope y'all enjoyed getting to use your creativity to learn something and make something awesome like a skit.
I hope y'all enjoyed getting your boogie on and dance.
And I hope everyone enjoyed warming up their voices and their bodies with these awesome new exercises you can do on your own.
Thanks for watching, and as always, go!